Okay friends, we got a good one today. You do not see these every day. This is a downdraft system. So, right, there's the hood, right? It's a low hood. Of course it's not being cleaned, but the plenum is actually there. And then it goes down. Got a chamber in here that's just all crazy, full of grease. There's like wax paper blocking the plenum. That's the access door. There's a little tray here to catch the grease. And then, so here's the hood, comes down, goes over. We got an access door. Of course, not being cleaned at all. And then essentially runs through that wall and then it goes up to the roof. But if you've never seen one of these, you'll scratch your head. So there's the access on up to the roof. Good times. Something new. I haven't seen one of these in years.